Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, 4-wheel drive, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, xenon headlights, active grille shutters, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, voice activated navigation system, backup camera, leather trim seats, leather upholstery, heated seats, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel,